Hey there, Ron Legrand here. And I thought you should know that on December the 13th through the 15th, we are doing a 3-day Great American Real Estate Summit. And it's free. What that means to you is we're going to cover a host of subjects that should apply to you if you are in real estate or you want to be in real estate, including things like I'm doing a whole session just on wholesaling and another session on terms deals. And we're going to interview the company that takes inbound calls for you, both when you're selling and you're buying, to get that load off of your back, and how to get your credit score up 100 points in 6 months, and do that also for your clients that you want to apply that to. I'm doing a whole course on using your IRA, what you can and what you can't do. And I'm interviewing the company that you might want to put your IRA with. And then we're doing deals that our mentors are going to bring to the table that they have worked with students to get deals. We're going to discuss those. That's always going to be fun. And then my friend Jake Connor will be here to talk about getting foreclosures. About 50% of his business each year comes from foreclosures. People are in foreclosure. And this guy generates at least $2 million net profit every year. And he only does about 30 houses a year. You're probably going to want to hear from him. I'm going to have Bob Bloom, my attorney out of Texas, come in and talk about the evils of the LLCs that you form when you're online and how they can harm you. And trust me, that's worth you taking a watch, because most people think their LLC is protecting them when it really isn't. And then I've got some videos that we want to play that we've created along the way. And then my friend Lance Edwards is going to be here to talk to you about how to break into small apartments and how to get paid $25,000 to send him a lead on apartments that he will buy. And of course, that's a kind of a moneymaker for you there. And he's going to show you, and he's going to show you how to get the software to load the information in and pop out the bottom, whether it's a go or a no-go. And if it's a go, you send it to him and you get a big referral fee, or you can buy it yourself. I'm going to discuss how my VAs can be of service to you. And we're going to have Pam here, who's running that department. And these VAs will do almost all the grunt work for you, including calling sellers for you and filling out the property information sheets, which is the first step of any house that you buy in this business, whether it be pretty or it be ugly. We're going to show you some facts and statistics that are reality today. And then I'm going to have the creator of Dreams, our CRM system here, showing you how it literally will run your business for you if you let it. And we're going to have some lead providers. There's companies out there that will pre-screen leads for you, and then you buy the leads. So you either got to buy the leads or you got to do the work. To do the work, you got to pay for somebody else to do the work. We'll interview a few of those. Now, also, I'm going to have Brian Hansen here, who's going to discuss AI with you, artificial intelligence. That's going to blow you away with artificial intelligence, how it adapts to real estate. And you better get in on that, because AI is here to stay, whether you like it or not. You might as well learn to use it to your advantage. And trust me, you're going to be shocked when you find out what it'll do. I'm going to have the subject of acquisitionist cover, when and what do I pay and how do I find an acquisitionist that does all the work for me so I don't have to do any of it. And then my friend Bob Diamond is going to talk to you about overages, which is a home-based business that you never leave your house. And you just, he'll tell you how to go online and how to get paid for what you know from overages coming from foreclosure sales. I'm going to do a few classes along the way, and one of them's called Confidence, Courage, and Character, and a lot of other stuff. Anyway, to sign up for this event, all you got to do is go to the link below and punch on it and register right then and there. So do it right now while you're thinking about it, and I'll see you there.